Hello. The daily positive news beautifully visualized by information is beautiful, February 3, 2020. Today's visualization is about yearly hours spent on housework have plummeted in the US. The time Americans spend cooking and cleaning has fallen dramatically. Laundry time has been halved. Household utilities barely need maintaining. Clothes mending is almost non-existent. It's down to technology. Kitchen appliances. Harder wearing floors and surfaces. New fabrics. Better food storage. In some ways, life is easier. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.